everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun little sneak peek unboxing for you guys of the brand new Jujube Tokidoki Fantasy Paradise print. You guys, this print is so cute. I cannot wait to open it and show you guys what I have in here. I did have a much larger order that was supposed to arrive and instead I got a smaller box. I'm not sure what happened there, but I'm hoping to be able to get everything else at some point, but I did want to share with you guys because this is releasing on January 30th, which is literally in like a couple days. I wanted to share this with you guys before the release came, just in case you wanted to see any of the things that I have in this box, which by the way, I have no idea what's in here because it was a huge order and obviously this is not the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, but before I do, I wanted to let you guys know I would love if you guys would shop Jujube with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. When you shop through there, it does help support my channel, so I really appreciate everyone who shops through me. So thank you. So let's go ahead and get started. I am super curious what's in here, and as a lot of you guys know, I am a little obsessed with Donatella print placement. So that's basically my print placement for this release. But I haven't had a real good chance to look and see up close what this print looks like, but from what I'm seeing in here, it's really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's not very much in here, you guys, but I do have two things. Well, this is a very small sneak peek, but I'm happy that I at least have two new things to share with you guys. So, it did say box 2 of 2, but I didn't have any tracking for any other boxes. So this print is really pretty though. It's more of a teal than I expected. So I have the new All That Tote, which I know a lot of you guys really wanted to see. So I have that, and I'll definitely do a packing video and on the body video for you guys. Oh, this print is so cute. So the fabric on the All That Tote is very much like a canvas. I'll show you guys this up close. The very front has like half of it is a print and the other portion of it here is that teal color, and then the very back is actually all the print. So that gives you a good look at that. It's really cute though. Okay, so this bag also has a fabric tag on top here. Ooh, this is interesting. So when you open it up underneath here, this is like a hidden pocket. This is interesting. I've never seen a bag like this. So you have the pocket here. I really like the lining. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's the lining for this bag in this print. So it's just like an open pocket, but up above that it has mesh. So I don't know if that's like the inside of the bag. I guess we'll find out when I open it. So you also have some webbed straps. Oh, ooh, this bag seems like it can do more than it looks like it can do. I'm curious how this works. Okay, so there's even bottle pockets on the sides here. Whoa, this is a deep pocket. Goes from basically one side of the bag to the other side of the bag. So you can lay things down in there flat. That's a very deep pocket. Very unique. I'm not sure what I'd put in there, but maybe like a rolled up towel or something if you wanted to take this to the beach. The back doesn't really have any pockets on it or anything, and there was no pockets on this side of the bag. So let's go ahead and look inside. This is so interesting the way this is set up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this is on the inside. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. But you have that really long pocket goes all the way inside the bag there. I feel like this would be a really great beach bag. Like that bottom pocket there looks like it could really fit a rolled up towel really well. And then you have a very small pocket up here that is felt lined. So this is great for your phone and stuff. What else do we have down in here? I think, oh, there's another pocket on the side here. So you can put like a sports drink or something like that down in there, or a water bottle, baby bottle. I don't really see this bag being used as a diaper bag, but more like I said, like the beach or the pool. This would be great. Or maybe even a workout bag. Like you could totally fold up a towel in there for after a workout or something. That's actually a great idea for this bag. I like that. So yeah, you guys, that's the All That Tote. This is a brand new style from Jujube that will be releasing along with the rest of the print coming out on the 30th. So it's very interesting. I don't think I have my print placement on the front here, but I do have mozzarella, and she's really cute, so. So there you go. And then I have one of the Fanny Packs to share with you. This is the Hipster. So I'm not a big Fanny Pack person, but I really feel like they're so practical, you know? Like if you need to go somewhere and you need your hands free, and you don't want anybody being able to grab your bag off of you, like if you're traveling and stuff, I feel like this would be great. I love the print on this way more than in the canvas version. I feel like it's lighter. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I feel like it's lighter colored. It's just really pretty. Oh, I love it. This print is so me. I love the print placement here with the mermaid. This is so cute. I really like the quality of this bag. This is the Hipster, I believe. There are 2 Fanny Packs coming out in this print. So yeah, this is the Hipster, and I think there's also the Hippie. This may be the larger one, I'm not sure, but it's really cute. So also the zipper pulls on this have this little octopus guy with a pirate hat. It's really cute. And then the very back of the bag, this is just great for breathability. It has that mesh back there. So this looks like it has loads of pockets. You have a small front pocket here, and then you have a pocket across the top of that as well, which is great for holding your money and stuff. It looks like you guys can see that. The tags are trying to get in the way, but you have a little credit card slot holder there and a little bit of empty space in front. So if you wanted to put in a small set piece or something, it looks like you could definitely fit that there. Let's see, there's also a couple pockets on the sides here. So you have one small one on the side, totally fit a chapstick down in there. Not an EOS, but like a chapstick. And then you have one more pocket over this side, which is, I'd say, they look identical. So they're about the same. And then you have, oh, there's one more pocket on the back here. This thing is so much fun to open all the pockets on. So, oh, that one's a little tough. I think it's caught on something. There we go. Oh, it's kind of like the sunglass holder material on jujube bags is what it feels like. So it's kind of springy feeling, like neoprene type-ish material, but you could fit your phone down in there, probably a pair of sunglasses, I guess, if you wanted to. And then let's go on the inside, because I'm curious what it looks like. Oh, this is so cool on the inside. I like this. This bag is like, it's pretty awesome. Look at that. You have so many pockets. You even have your key fob on here, which is amazing. That's one of my favorite things about jujube bags is the key fobs. So you have that there. You have some empty space in the front here. You can put a long wallet down in there. You could probably even fit a water bottle if you wanted to, sideways. And then you have 2 elastic pockets here. They're both the same size. They look like they could each fit a small set piece. And then you also have a mesh pocket up here with a zipper pull. So this is really, really cute. I like it. And then you have a webbed strap here, and you have a metal buckle that looks like it is really easy to use. So you guys, that is my little haul. I'm sorry that I didn't have more to share with you guys. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that I get the other box soon, because I would love to do an unboxing for that as well, because I had so many great things in that box to share with you. It's such a bummer. But I'm very thankful I was able to at least share this with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, or even fun, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here. Don't forget this print is releasing on January 30th, and I would love if you would shop jujube with me, and I will leave that link down in the description below for you. Thanks for watching!